Hi everyone, and welcome back to Zenova. And in this video I'd like to introduce you to a new feature in the Zenova.com platform, and it's ChatGPT 4 with internet search and also AI machine learning data. So the user will actually access this new feature right on the home page right here, as you see. It is free to use, and you get up to 5 questions that you can ask each day. If you log in, you get up to 10 questions that you can ask each day. So you simply go here and you can flag on querying Zenova for the AI machine learning data that we generate as part of the question to ChatGPT 4, and also searching the web for any other information that answers any questions that you may have. There are sample questions right here, and in these sample questions you can get an idea of the type of questions you can ask to ChatGPT. Those are right here. And we also have a list of all the stocks that we cover, so you can get an idea of what we cover right now, what we do not cover at the moment. We're always adding new stocks to this list. And you can also see the different fields that we cover that generate AI machine learning data. So you can use your stock or stocks and then ask specific questions to these different fields that we have data for. So let's take a predefined question real quick here. And if we were to go here, for instance, and ask, let's do this one. For Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Amazon, and Intel, list the probability of 1-year alpha. We submit that question. And we get an answer. And here's the probability of alpha. 1 year out, that would be 10% or greater. Those are the different probabilities right there for those different stocks. You can also see that the internet search returned various links that you can go to by simply clicking on them and reading information about those different stocks. Now, if you go back down to ChatGPT, you can say, ask ChatGPT a question about that data that it just returned in that table. So I can say, in the table above, please do on the stock data. Now ChatGPT will analyze the table that I just generated and give me a response. And here it is. So now you can see the response to my question here, and ChatGPT returning its analysis of that data. This information can then be put into a report right here, and can simply be saved as a PDF, or it can be printed out. Go back to Query Zenova, and I can keep going on from there with new questions, or I can simply go up and log in and do the same thing. There's a help screen, and you can get pretty good help within this help screen, especially on the interface, which will explain everything to you on how to use this. Any questions, please contact contact us at Zunova.com, and we will be very happy to help you with anything that you need with this new feature in our platform. We hope you enjoy it, and we'll have more videos coming up on this new feature within our platform. Thank you.